Bird in the grill. The birdie in the grill.
Oh,
It fell. It's like, where's the food, bitch?
Where's the food?
Where's the food?
I don't know. Maybe if we can catch you, you'll be the food.
Yeah, you'll be. Oh no! He flew away!
Dude,
Ah.
fucker.
There's a guy. There's a car over there.
Oh no, yeah.
I have to fart.
With a what?
There's a good thing in
From
the
a
car.
distance, he doesn't look too bad, but watch, come like walk up to him and be like, okay.
He's like an old guy.
Creepy.
Yeah.
That'd be highly creepy. What the fuck is that?
What the fuck is what?
Oh, it's fucking. I don't know what it was.
What are we doing?
I don't know. Going out in the sun because it's really cold.
I'm gonna put this on YouTube if I can. Squirrels! Squirrelies! Squirrely! Squirrely! His name shall be Dirk.
No, my name's Chubbs. From last night.
Yeah.
My name's Chubbs.
I don't know what I am. There. I should turn this off now.